remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, this is a one guideline handbook, and as you will see here is two cards. Okay, one is, this is a classic card and this is a gold. Okay, golden card, just both card is same, only difference is transaction limits. Golden card transaction limits are higher than classic. Okay, and this is the guideline book, a Visa debit card, and this is the envelope where you will to deliver. Okay, the Visa card, and in new cards, that is a one fun feature is very good feature for security is very high, and it's a chip system, and old card it is a pin system. Okay, and chip system is finished, pin system is finished, and now chip system is security is very high. Okay, and here is a note, you can activate this Visa debit card using ATM. Okay, using activate your debit card through any BAF ATM by entry, but you are using but you can use to activate Alpha app. Okay, or log in your bank internet account, you can activate it. Okay, I will show you that procedure, everything is, and here is, as you will see here, Visa debit card in this shape. Okay, as you will see, okay, this is the classic card. Okay, Visa classic card, and this is the back side of the card. Okay, everything is clearly mentioned, as you will see here. Okay, today I am showing you how to activate Visa debit card of Bank Alfalah. Okay, if your Visa card has been expired, then you will be issued new Visa debit card. Okay, if you are a first time or second time, procedure is same. Okay, how to activate your Visa debit card using Alpha app, okay, or onto a website, Bank Alfalah internet website. Today's technology makes it's very easy for activation. And one thing more, buying Alfalah Visa cards now chips security system, and update is also good. Okay, as you will see here, it's chip security system. Okay, for logging, I am clicking here. As you will see here, you can see debit card management. Now click here. Okay, debit card management. Click here to log in it. After login, as you will see here, my previous card is what? My previous card has been blocked. Why? Because it's expired 12th December 2020. Now I have issued a new card. Okay, new card is this. Okay, see your card number, everything card is same. Okay, then you can activate it. Okay, this number is same. Okay, as you will see onto, you will receive your delivery address, this number is same, expiry date is same, everything. Then you will apply to activate it. Okay, I have confirmed everything is same card. Now its status is inactive and expiry date is 3rd March 2026. Okay, now 2000, currently here is 2021. After 5 years it will be expired. Okay, now activate it. Just click here. After clicking, as you will see here, this window will appear. Okay, now I am checking two parts of this code. First part will be sent my registered email address. Okay, that email address registered into your bank account and registered mobile number into bank account. Two parts, check and type that code. Okay, first I am checking my here mobile number. First part is this, as you will see here. The second part is this. Okay, second part is this, and first part onto my email address. Just I am typing here. First I am, and now my email is already open, and second part is this, as you will see. Okay, both parts I am just copy this part. This is the first part, as you will see here. One minute. I am, this is the first part of the, okay, the first part of your OTC is, just open that app, Bank Alfalah app, enter email D, again I'm D4W5 4W5 and message UI8Z. UI UI. Okay, first part is this, and enter 4 part is this. This is the you received this onto your mobile. UI8Z. Okay, 4 characters here, 4 characters here. UI8Z. 8Z. Okay, now click next. Click here to confirm it. Enter new pin, confirm new pin. Create pin to activate card. To activate your new debit card, please create 4-digit card pin. Okay. When you are going to any ATM, okay, you type that pin for transactions, withdrawals. Okay, that pin you generate here. Okay. Now I am generating a pin. Okay. Later then you can change that pin, no problem. Okay, click here to submit it. As your bank Alfalah debit card has been activated and pin has been set. Okay, that's it. We'll complete it successfully. Now it's before that, here status is what? Inactive. Now status is active. You can change pin anytime. Okay, if your card has been stolen, misplaced anywhere, you can also block it. Okay, or after expiry date, you can also block it. Okay, it's a good feature of Alfalah. All features are available on Alfalah. This is the modern technology in the world. Okay, use this technology to make your life easier. I hope you will understand how to activate your Visa debit card using Alfalah app or on a website, bank login, bank internet banking website. Okay, thanks.